Namaste, dosto. Happy Diwali and a very prosperous Samvat 2082 to all of you. Get ready, because tomorrow, Tuesday, October 21st, is the most auspicious 1 hour in the Indian stock market, the Muhurat trading session. The Nifty 50 closed on a high note, right near 25,850, and today, we are giving you the exact blueprint to trade this short, high sentiment session. We'll analyze the chart you are seeing right now, look at the crucial support and resistance levels for Nifty, and tell you the best strategy to start your new year right. Stay tuned, because the first 15 minutes of Muhurat trading are often the most. First, let's nail down the timings, as this year, the special session is in the afternoon. The main 1 hour window for Tuesday, October 21st, runs from 1:45 pm to 2:45 pm. But remember, the pre-open session starts at 1:30 pm. This is a symbolic, positive session. Historical data shows Muhurat trading often ends in the green, and the market sentiment is extremely bullish right now, with the Nifty already on a strong uptrend. We are entering Samvat 2082 with confidence. But, you must be disciplined, as liquidity can be thin and volatility high in a 1 hour window. Now, let's get straight to the technical setup based on the chart in front of us. The Nifty 50 closed strongly at 25,850.70, which puts us right in the action zone, hovering just below the immediate R1 resistance. Our strategy for this short, high-impact hour is simple: trade the breakout or the breakdown. Let's talk about the upside first, the bullish scenario. The immediate key resistance on the chart is R1 at 25,901. If Nifty manages to break and sustain above the 25,900 mark in the first 15 to 30 minutes, it's a clear signal for the bulls to take control. Your immediate bullish target would be R2 at 25,959, and then the crucial psychological level of R3 at 26,017. A strong move above 26,000 on Muhurat day would be a massive bullish sign for Samvat 2082. For the most aggressive traders, keep an eye on R4 at 26,075. Remember to keep a strict stop loss around the previous swing low if you enter a long position. Pivot to the downside, the bearish scenario. Now, for the downside, which is a less likely but important scenario. The immediate support is S1 at 25,785. Given the strong close, a decisive break below this level would signal weakness. Your bearish targets would be S2 at 25,685, and then the stronger support at S3:25, 590. The level around 25,500 is also a major psychological and technical support from a daily chart perspective. A breakdown below S3 could trigger profit booking towards S4 at 25,532. As always, a strict stop loss for any short position should be kept just above the main pivot point at 25,850. So, here is your core execution plan for the 1 hour. Wait for the pre-open to gauge the gap. The best trades will be initiated on a decisive breakout above R1, 25,901, or a breakdown below S1, 25,785. And the most important advice, keep your position size small. Muhurat trading is for Shubh Arambh, an auspicious beginning. Many only buy one stock or one lot as a token investment for the new year, rather than aggressive trading. Beyond the 60-minute trade, let's zoom out. Muhurat trading marks the start of Samvat 2082, and the outlook is exceptionally positive. Analysts are expecting Nifty to test its all-time high of 26,277 and then potentially move towards 26,500 to 28,000 by next Diwali. This is the perfect time for long-term investors to pick fundamentally strong stocks. Focus on sectors showing momentum, like the banking sector, or maybe the auto sector. To conclude, tomorrow is about celebrating the spirit of wealth creation and new beginnings. Trade smartly, respect the levels we've discussed, 25,901 on the upside and 25,785 on the downside, and use tight stop losses. Wishing you all a very safe, disciplined, and profitable start to Samvat 2082. If this analysis helped you prepare for tomorrow, hit that like button, share it with your trading friends, and most importantly, subscribe to our channel for our live updates and post-market analysis tomorrow. Happy Diwali!